In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Google Keep by date. If you're using Google Keep on Android and you see the sort option in your app, you can quickly organize your notes by when they were created or when they were last edited. This is especially helpful if your note collection has grown and you need a faster way to surface what's most recent or what you've been working on lately. Start by opening the Google Keep app on your Android device. At the very top, you'll notice the search bar that runs across the screen. Just to the side of that bar, usually near your profile picture, there's a small sort icon. If you see it, that means your version of Keep supports sorting by date. Go ahead and tap that sort icon to bring up your sorting choices. You'll see two options. Choose date created if you want the newest notes to appear first. This is great when you're capturing lots of fresh ideas and want the latest ones at the top without scrolling. Or choose date modified if you prefer to see the notes you've recently edited first. That's perfect when you're actively updating checklists, project notes, or drafts and want the ones you've touched most recently to rise to the top. As soon as you make your selection, your notes will reorganize instantly. There's nothing else to confirm and no additional settings to tweak. You'll see the order change right away, so you can quickly verify that your notes are arranged the way you prefer. If you don't see the sort icon, your app may not have this newer feature yet on your device. If you want to flip the order from newest to oldest or the other way around, it's just as simple. Tap the sort icon again and select the same option you chose before. That action reverses the order for that mode, so if you're on date created, tapping it again switches between newest first and oldest first. The same goes for date modified, letting you toggle between the most recently edited notes at the top and the least recently edited at the top. That's all there is to it. Open Google Keep, tap the sort icon by the search bar, pick date created or date modified, and your notes rearrange on the spot. And whenever you want the opposite order, tap the sort icon again and choose the same option to reverse it. With this quick toggle, you'll spend less time searching and more time focusing on the notes that matter right now.